12 of the world's most insane engineering marvels. Number 12. Palm Islands. Located in the United Arab Emirates, the Palm Islands represent the largest human-made islands on the planet. Famous English footballer David Beckham pre-ordered a villa on one of the islands in 2002. While the islands are a worldwide draw for wealthy tourists and an amazing feat of construction, they have also drawn the concern of environmentalists. During dredging work, the only known coral reef off of Dubai's shores was destroyed. Turtles' nesting spots have been destroyed, and the ocean's natural currents have been rerouted. Of the 3 Palm Islands, only Palm Jumeirah is fully complete. Real estate company Nakheel Properties is responsible for the islands and also built the nearby World, a group of islets built in the image of the Earth. Number 11. Three Gorges Dam. Though this project is an impressive engineering feat, the fact that it has had grossly adverse effects on both human beings and the environment temper the excitement behind its construction and existence, and make the Three Gorges the most notorious dam on the planet. Regarding installed capacity, the dam was the world's largest power station when it became fully functional in 2012. It has a total length of around 1.4 miles and a height of 607 feet. The dam also displaced a reported 1.3 million people, though that number is disputed and may be even higher. Flooded archaeological and cultural sites and caused significant ecological and environmental changes. The drastic changes in reservoir water levels have caused an increase in landslides. Experts feel that the sheer weight of the reservoir's water could cause earthquakes. Animals and plants are threatened due to changes in their environment and fragmentation. Number 10. Large Hadron Collider. When it started up on September 10, 2008, the LHC became the largest and most powerful particle accelerator on the planet. Resting inside the Kern Collider Complex, it's buried at a depth of 575 feet underneath the border of France and Switzerland. The collider is composed of around 9,600 supermagnets that fire protons around a circular track at unfathomable speeds. Particles in the machine are made to collide going as fast as possible to create the highest amount of energy. Physicists, including Stephen Hawking and Neil deGrasse Tyson, are concerned about the machine and its potential to create a mini black hole that would destroy the planet. Number 9. The Falkirk Wheel. To connect the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal in Scotland, engineers built the Falkirk Wheel, the world's first and only rotating boat lift. Completed in 2002, this unique marvel stands 115 feet tall and is made of over 1,200 tons of steel. Powered by 10 hydraulic motors, the Falkirk Wheel can transport up to 8 vessels at one time on a journey that takes 1 hour to get from one canal to another. It's an impressive and imposing sight that has become a tourist attraction in the country. Number 8. Panama Canal. In 1904, the United States began building what would become one of the greatest engineering accomplishments of the century, the Panama Canal. The monumental project would span a decade and faced countless obstacles. At the onset, the ever-present threat of malaria claimed lives and scared workers away from the site. Luckily, Chief Sanitary Officer William Gorgas knew that the disease was carried by mosquitoes. He had recently been in Havana, where he directed a controlled strategy to eliminate the disease-carrying insects. With Gorgas's vital help, malaria was eradicated from the isthmus by 1906. Though it would take 3 different project engineers, 56,000 workers, 10% of whom lost their lives constructing the canal, and $375 million, the Panama Canal officially opened on August 15, 1914. The channel's importance is hard to understate and easy to see on a map. It connected the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, saving ships a dangerous journey around the southern tip of South America. Number 7. The Channel Tunnel. It took almost 200